I am in my daughter's iPad right now.
Yes, and I'm watching.
And you're watching. You shouldn't be watching because this is how to set restrictions on someone's iPad so they don't get naughty content. So the first thing you do is you have to
Mama,
make sure that you're in restrictions under general, and then you come down here to the bottom where it says allowed content. Now my app store is United States, so that's where the ratings are going to be coming from. I'm absolutely going to turn off explicit content for music, podcasts, and news. So now it's clean. I'm going to go into movies, and I'm going to only select up to G because PG still has a lot of perhaps violent and rude behavior in it. And then I'm going to go into TV shows, and I'm going to click up. You are how old? 8 years old, right?
Yeah.
So I am going to give you up to G, and the rest are unclicked. Go back to restrictions. Then we have books.
How dare you?
Nothing like that. Thank you. Then we are going to go into apps. How old are you?
What are you doing? 8.
Yeah, you're up to 9 years old. Good. And then Siri also.
How dare you?
No explicit language, Siri. And the websites is to limit adult content.
Hey.
As you can see, my daughter is thrilled about this, but these are important things that we have to do in order to ensure that our children are safely on their devices.
How dare you do this?